Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 6th March 2025. Political news. Constituency redistricting sparks demographic concerns in southern India. Plans to redraw India's parliamentary constituencies based on the 2021 census have raised apprehensions among southern leaders. Chief Ministers M.K. Stalin of Tamil Nadu and Chandrababu Naidu of Andhra Pradesh have urged couples to consider having more children to maintain their state's political representation. The Lok Sabha is set to expand from 543 to 846 seats, potentially increasing representation for populous northern states like Uttar Pradesh. Southern states, which have effectively implemented family planning policies, fear reduced influence despite their significant contributions to India's GDP. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, faces the challenge of balancing these regional concerns while seeking to strengthen its presence in the south. Proposal to reduce states' share of federal taxes. The central government is considering reducing the proportion of federal taxes allocated to states from the current 41% to 40%, starting in 2026. This proposal aims to provide the federal government with an additional 350 billion rupees annually to address increasing spending needs, especially during economic downturns. The plan also includes measures to discourage states from offering politically motivated handouts. States express concerns over limited revenue-raising capabilities due to the National Goods and Services Tax and increasing federal cesses and surcharges, which could impact funding for social infrastructure. Maharashtra Minister resigns amid murder investigation. Dhananjay Munde, Maharashtra's Minister of Food and Civil Supplies, resigned on 4th March 2025, following the arrest of his close associate in connection with the murder of a local sarpanch. The arrest has intensified political scrutiny, leading to Munde's resignation to uphold ethical standards during the ongoing investigation. Sports news. Khelo India Winter Games 2025 scheduled in Gulmarg. The Khelo India Winter Games 2025 are set to take place from March 9 to 12 in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Initially postponed due to insufficient snowfall, recent weather conditions have improved, ensuring a world-class winter sports experience. The event will feature alpine skiing, ski mountaineering, snowboarding, and Nordic skiing, aiming to promote winter sports and boost local tourism. ICC Champions Trophy final lineup. India has secured a spot in the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy final, scheduled for 9th March at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Their opponent will be determined following the outcome of the second semi-final match. India's journey to the final included victories over Bangladesh and arch-rivals Pakistan. Women's Premier League 2025 ongoing. The third season of the Women's Premier League is underway, running from 14th February to 15th March 2025. Featuring 5 teams, the tournament showcases top-tier women's cricket, with the Royal Challengers Bangalore entering as the defending champions. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.